Okay.
Hi
So
there.
it was, oh, wait.
Mark and Brian here,
Yeah.
Fitness for Life. We
Yes.
got exercise number 3 for
Just in case you forgot who we are. Now,
who are you?
it was suggested to me by my colleague Brian here that if you don't want to get running injuries, sit down and wait till the urge passes and then move on. Okay. But if you are going to run, then here's what you're going to do. A lot of people have tightness in their lower back. Okay. And this manifests itself a lot of times with the people that have a more of a arched lower back. So they stand, their pelvis is kind of rotated forward, and they've got a deeper arch here in the back, which can put more stress on their back, especially if they don't have the hip mobility, because then they're going to extend their back more or arch their back more, which a lot of times then people come in and complaining, I've got back tightness or I got back pain. And so for people that's got more of a tightness back there, more of a increased arch, again, a couple walking patterns that we like to do. One is to walk and flex forward as you're walking. So take a walking step and flex. Yeah. It doesn't have to be in sync with your step, but just walk and just as you're walking, bend forward, because that will help stretch that back out, help it get it used to being in a better position for you. Another position that we like to have people do is when they're walking is to turn their head while they're walking. Because again, out when you're functioning, not everything's in a perfect world and straight ahead. So you may be walking this way and you hear something coming behind you and you're continuing walking and you turn your head to look around you. If you train for that, then you're covered for that. A lot of people get injured because they get into positions or movements that they haven't learned to control or that they haven't been in. So what you won't do, you don't have to go out there and spend your whole day walking like that, but it can be a nice little back loosening exercise for you if you're bending forward and then learning to keep control of your body when you're turning your head so you don't lose your balance. So some suggestions that we do here, many more. So if you have questions or that, contact us at fitness4lifept.com.